everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads to Simvoly as contact. So I am an owner of a skincare brand and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads by any of my potential customers, I want to add that lead as a contact in my Simvoly account so that I can further manage the lead. And if I'm going to do this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was, I simply created an automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, what we are going to learn is that whenever by any of my potential customers, a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead is going to be created as a contact in my Simvoly account. And for that, we're going to create an automation between Facebook lead ads and Simvoly with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to add Facebook lead ads to Simvoly as contact. So I'm an owner of a skincare brand running Facebook lead ads to promote my latest product line. Every time someone fills out a lead form to learn more about our products, I want their information to be instantly added to my Simvoly CRM. By automating this process, we ensure that every potential customer is quickly and efficiently added to my contact list, enabling us to send personalized product recommendations, special offers, or skincare tips, helping to convert leads into satisfied and repeat customers. And we're going to create this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Add Facebook Lead Ads to Simvoly as Contact. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Next, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this field. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select Facebook Lead Ads Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create. In order to create a workflow is created in the name of Add Facebook Lead Ads to Simvoly as Contact, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps for automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what we are going to do is we are going to select it as Facebook lead ads. As with the help of Facebook lead ads, I'm promoting my business, and my objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response. And for the trigger event, we're going to select it as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect button to connect Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it says connect with Facebook lead ads. Before clicking on it, remember to log into your Facebook account on a different tab so that connecting Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect can be much easier. Okay. After that, we're going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. As you can see that we successfully authorized Facebook lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen forms. So for the page over here, what I've done is I've created a page for my business in my Facebook account in the name of Natural Glow Skincare. And with the help of this Facebook page, I will be promoting my Facebook lead ads. So what I'm going to do is, for the page over here, I'm going to search for the page that I've created, that is Natural Glow Skincare. Okay. After selecting the page, it is asking for us to select a lead gen form. So I've created a lead ads form in the name of natural glow lead form. If you have created a lead gen form, then you have to select a lead gen form that you have created from this given drop down. Okay. After selecting the page and the lead gen form with the help of which the leads are going to be generated, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. But before that, I'm going to toggle this button of the simple response right over here. Okay. And then I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, you can see it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we're going to do is, as it is waiting for webhook response, we're going to check whether Facebook lead ad is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not. And how we're going to do that? By generating a test lead. As we're going to generate a test lead, we're going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. For that, you have to open the lead ad system tool. With the help of this amazing tool, that is the lead ad system tool, we are going to generate a test lead, with the help of which we are going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures the response of the test lead being generated or not. Okay. So we're going to generate the test lead. For the page over here, I'm going to select it as natural glow skincare, the page that I've created. And for the form over here, I'm going to select the lead gen form that I've created. After selecting the page and the form, we're going to click on this preview form button. So this is the form that I've created, as you can see right away, with the help of which my leads are going to be generated. Firstly, it is asking for us to select the skin type. I'm going to select it as oily. Okay. It is asking for the first name of our lead. So I'm going to write in the dummy lead detail, the first name being test. Last name over here, I'm going to write it as test lead 55. Okay. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as testlead551@pabblytudes.com. This is the email. And for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue button and on submit to do the test submission. As you can see that it says right over here, your test lead has been sent. As now the test lead is generated, I'm going to open my workflow and I'm going to scroll down. And yes, you can see right away, we have received a response in our Pabbly Connect workflow that we have created for the skin type being oily, first name as test, last name as lead551, email as testlead551@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, the mobile number with all the other details. So this means that Facebook lead ads is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and a trigger setup is done. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of our potential customers, automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of the new lead being generated with the help of Facebook lead ads. Okay. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step, and as our objective is that whenever a new lead is generated with the help of Facebook lead ads, I want to add that lead as a contact in my Simvoly account. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our action step, and for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as Simvoly. And for the action event, I'm going to select as create/update contact, as now we're going to create a contact in our Simvoly account of the new lead being generated. Okay. After selecting the action application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear on which you can add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it is asking for the token and the domain, with the help of which we're going to connect Simvoly to Pabbly Connect. To have the access of the token and the domain, you have to follow the steps given here below in the help desk. Okay. We have to open our Simvoly account. So this is my Simvoly account right over here, and in this account, I will be managing all the contacts of my customers. Okay. So to have the access of the token and the domain, what we have to do is we have to go to this builder button right over here, and from the left side of the panel, the settings is given, the website settings. We're going to click on it. Okay. As we're going to do that over here, from these options over here, it says domains. We're going to click on it, and this is the domain right away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this domain from here, and I'm going to paste it right over here. And then for the token, what we are going to do is over here it says applications. We're going to click on it, and over here under application it says API key. We're going to reveal the key. We're going to copy this key from here, and we're going to paste it right over here, and then we're going to click on this save button. As you can see that my Simvoly account is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for the details of our contact like the name, email, phone number and all the other details. So for the details of my contact, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field right over here, you can see it says Facebook lead ads new lead instant. This was the previous step of this workflow, and as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As with the help of the leads response, we are going to create a contact. So what we are going to do is in place of this name field, I'm going to select the first name space the last name of my lead, and as I've selected data from my pre-response, the data is mapped. And as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, the new response is going to be updated in place of this response, the mapped response. Okay. After that, it is asking for the email. Similarly, I'm going to map the data of the email. For the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number of my lead. It is asking for all the other details right over here. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, you can see over here we've received a response, which is a personal response. So now I'm going to open my Simvoly account and I'm going to check whether a new contact has been created to my account or not. For that, I'm going to open my Simvoly account. On the panel right over on this bar, we're going to click on this contacts button. And yes, you can see right over here a new contact in the name of testlead551 with the email as testlead551@pabblytudes.com with the dummy mobile number has been created in my Simvoly account. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Facebook lead ads and Simvoly with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Facebook lead ads. My objective was that as soon as a new lead is going to be created by any of my customers using Facebook lead ads, I wanted to add that customer as a contact in my Simvoly account so that I can manage the contact further. And for that, I've created this amazing automation between Facebook lead ads and Simvoly with the help of Pabbly Connect. And this is how you create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.
Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.